All right, there's a definition that says x to the negative 1 is 1 over x. Okay? To get rid of a negative exponent, you move it to the opposite place it's in. So this is in the numerator, and I moved it to the denominator, and that made the exponent positive. So if I had x squared y negative 3 over x negative 5, you leave the x squared because it's a positive exponent, but you move the y to the negative 3 to the bottom to make it positive. And now I'm down in the denominator. I'm going to move that to the top to make it positive. And of course, when you multiply like bases, you add your exponents, so you have x to the 7th over y cubed. So in your problem, a to the negative 1 plus b to the negative 1, that's 1 over a. These are separate terms, plus 1 over b. And I don't see anything that looks like that, so let's get a common denominator of ab. That's your common denominator. I need to multiply top and bottom by b for this first one. And I need to multiply top and bottom by a in the second one. So I get a plus b over ab. And that is what? E.